Hello everyone. So welcome to IoT for Junior course. So IoT for Junior is a comprehensive course for anyone who want to start their journey with IoT. So there is no prerequisite, there is no previous technical knowledge required. If you are a student, if you are a college student, if you are a working professional, doesn't matter. You can begin your IoT journey with this course. So, this course is designed in such a way that anyone who can read and understand the English from the age to 5 to 50, they can follow this course. Instruction is given in very easy manner and definitions and concepts are provided in easiest way possible. So let me just quickly show you, first of all, the overview of the course, and after that, how to navigate through the course. So we all know IoT is Internet of Things, and it is the one of the booming technology. Every industry and everyone is using this technology. Doesn't matter if it is in manufacturing industry or healthcare. Every industry is using this technology. And IoT devices are booming day by day. So now let's quickly see how to navigate through the course. So here you will find all the lessons what we are gonna cover. And one more speciality about this course is this is project-based course. It means you will learn the concept by doing projects. Okay, it is not very theoretical course. Though we will teach you the theory wherever it required, but this entire course focus on the project-based learning. So you will learn the entire concept of IoT by making the project. There are many small projects, but there are 10 big projects or the real world project, what you can use in your daily life. So let's see how to navigate through the course. Let's see first thing project one, that is making smart light. So you will be provided with the lesson overview video. You can watch this overview. After that, in overview, every basic details will be provided. What this lesson will taught you and what all the things we are gonna cover in this lesson. After that, you will get the brief about the lesson or project. You will get all the connections, whatever is required with the clean circuit diagram. And also you will get the code using the link. And here there will be a short explanation about the course. After that, you will get the demo video. And after that, you will get the detailed video on how to make this circuit and how to write the codes and how to upload the codes. So what we will advise, go step by step. First see overview, then see the project, Try to do the entire thing on your own. Use the code and read the passage and try to experiment with your code. That's how you will get the mastery of programming. Then see whether you are getting the results same as shown in demo. If at any point you stuck, you can watch the video. Video is pretty detailed and covered everything. Then also you are stuck, you can simply provide here comments and our TA will take that comment and that will be resolved. So you must be wondering from where we will get all these equipments. So for that, you can simply navigate to STEM kit from Skill Anything website. And here you will get IoT for Junior STEM kit. So this kit involves many components. It involves all the components what we are going to use in our IoT for Junior course. Other than that also, it involves many components that you can use in your projects. So you can make 20 plus projects using these components. So I hope you are excited to take this course. Right now, IoT for Junior course is free. You need to just register into the Skill Anything and you are ready to go forward. So that's it for today's video. See you in the course. Till then, bye.